Hi guys, welcome to Bio. This is our lesson that I want you to complete over the weekend and turn it in on Monday the 19th before 10 p.m. So this is your discussion prep for week 10. If you need help, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to help. The agenda today only has 2 required parts and a 3rd optional part. So if you only do the first 2 steps, it'll take about 20 minutes. If you add on the article, it'll be about 40 total. The objective for the week is that you'll be able to differentiate between genotype and phenotype, recessive and dominant alleles, and homozygous and heterozygous alleles. Here are some of the key points from last week that you can review before starting this lesson. Step 1 is to watch an Edpuzzle. Pretty much every discussion prep that we're going to have in this quarter will be an Edpuzzle plus a Padlet, just so you guys know. So you're going to click on the link down here, and it will take you to an Edpuzzle. This is about a man named Mendel and his pea plants. It is adorable, and there are lots of questions, but they're all multiple choice, except for the last one. So it should go by pretty quickly. I would estimate that this will take you no longer than 3 or 4 minutes. Once you finish your Edpuzzle and turn it in, go back to the lesson and continue on. If you want subtitles, they should already be on, but you can push the CC button and it will open up your subtitles. Step 2 is to work on a Padlet response. So what I want you to do is go to Padlet, sign in with your LPS account, and answer 3 questions, like 2 posts, and comment on 1 other post, either you disagree with, that you agree with, or that you just want to respond to. So you can either go to the Padlet with this link, or with this link. They're both the same. When you click on it, it will open up this Padlet. So I want you to pick 3 questions to answer. And remember that you just add an answer like that. I want you to like 2 other posts and comment on 1 other one. Once you do that, you can head to step 4, or you can go for the optional extension. So if you want to try this extension, it'll take about 15 to 20 minutes, and all you need to do is annotate the article by highlighting important information, underlining words you don't know, and bolding things that confuse you. So this is the article. You can either try it for reading it, or you can skip it. It's about this really cool gene that is responsible for uncombable hair. Okay, after that, all you need to do is check your work, make sure that you finished steps 1 and 2, 3 if you're going for the optional extension, and then turn in your assignment and you're done. You are all prepped for next week. See you in class. Bye.